Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Our today's session is multiplication in Vedic maths with base 5. It means whenever we need to multiply any number with 5, 25 or 125 and so on, then how we can solve it, that we are going to discuss in this session. So let's start with the basic rules. If number is given like this, 28 into 5, as I have explained in earlier session, we can do it by the basic rules, that is 8 5s are 40, then 5 2s are 10. Write down this 0 as it is, add this 4 with the 0, that is 4, and this is 1. So your answer is 140. This is the general method how we can do multiplication in Vedic mathematics. But here we are going to solve it with some tricks. You know very well, if any number, suppose x is multiplied by 5, any number is going to be multiplied by 5, then can I write it like x into 10 by 2? 5 is equals to 10 by 2, right? So its value won't change. We can write it down like this. So x into 10 is 10x. It means I need to multiply this number by simply 10, then do half. Then we can get the answer. This is quite quick and easier than this one. How? Let's start with some examples. First example, 28 into 5. As I have explained you, multiply it by 10, then divide by 2. 28 into 10, can we say it is nothing but 280? Whenever we multiply any number with 10, what we can do? Just write down 0 after that number. So it is 280. Divide by 2. Now what we need to do? We need to make it half. Half of the 2, that is 1, half of the 8 is 4, and half of the 0 divided by 2, that will be 0. So answer is 240. Now next is 4268 into 5. What we can do? 268 into 10 divided by 2. You can do in two ways. Either you make it half first, then multiply it by 10, or first you multiply it by 10, then make it half. Choice is yours. Generally do it with 42680 divided by 2. Now what we need to do? Half, it means half of the 4, that is 2, this 1, 3, because 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, so 4 and 0 as it is. So this is the answer. Now you might have a question in your mind. I have considered on the even numbers. Now you can notice, it means which can be divided by 2 very easily and faster. If numbers are odd in the combination, then how to do? Let's discuss. In both these examples, you can see that there are odd and even combinations. 6, 7, 2, the 7 is odd number, right? So now you can write down directly 6, 7, 2, 0. How? Because it is 10 by 2. Now make it half. 2 3s are 6, right? So this is 3, 7. Now 2 3s are 6. So write down 3 and one number is left, right? One is remainder. So this is 12. Now 2 6 are 12 and keep 0 as it is, right? Understood? In this number, you may have observed last was the even number. If last digit is odd, then what will be the answer? Let's discuss. Now we can write down 12630 divided by 2. I am writing it directly, okay? Now 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 1 is remainder, so 1 and 0, so 2 5s are 10. So keep one thing in your mind, if last digit is even, then in your answer you will get 0 at last, and your last digit is odd number, then you will get only 5 at the last digit. Remember these things. Even last digit is even, it means answer at last number is 0. If number is odd, at last it is 5. Got this? Now I am going to give you a trick, more practice, that don't try to, we are trying to write down the answers directly. Just look at the number and write the answers. Don't do such calculations. So you can write down answers quickly and you can save your time in competitive examinations. I have written these 3 examples. Now no calculations, write down answers directly. As we know, we should multiply it by with 10 and divide it by 2, but don't do anything. As I have explained you earlier, if last digit is even, then in your answer last digit will be 0, and if last digit of the number is odd, then write down 5 at last. This is the basic trick that you should remember. Now no need to do anything, just make this number half and write down the answer. That's all. Now half of the 3, that is 2 1s are, so 1 is the remainder, right? 1 and 8, 2 9s are 18. Now 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. 1 is left because it is odd number, write down 5. This is the answer. Now let's solve this example. Now just make it half. Half of this, 2 1s are 2, so 1, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, but it is 9, so 1 is remainder because it is odd number. Write down 5 directly. Now what about this number? Let's see. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, but 1 remainder is there, and 1 and 6 now it is, because 1 is the remainder in this 3, 1 and 6, it means 2 8s are 16, and last one is the even number, write down 0. This is the answer. Hope you have got this fundamental. Now we are going to discuss if we need to multiply a number with 25. X into 25. Can we write it down as x into 100 divided by 4? Because 100 divided by 4 is 25. So 100 into x, that is 100x divided by 4. So multiply number with 100 and then finally divide it by 4 and you will get your answer. Let's have a look at some examples so you can get the idea very clearly. Let's solve these 2 examples. 364 into 25, that we can write as 36400 divided by 4, because instead of the 25 we can write down 100 by 4, and 100 is nothing. 364 into 100 is 36400. That's why I have written it directly. Okay. Now divide this number by 4. 4 9s are 36. 4 1s are 4. Thus 2 0 as it is. Is it not simple? In traditional mathematics, what you will do, you will multiply it with 2, then multiply it with 5, and then do addition, right? Instead of that, this method is quite simpler and easier. Now let's take one more example, that is 95287 into 25. So can we write it? 9528700 divided by 4. We can divide it by 4, right? So now let's divide. 4 2s are 8, 1 is remainder, so 1 5, 4 3s are 12, 3 is remainder, 4 8s are 32, now 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4, so left with 3, 3 and 0, 4 7s are 28, right? 2 is left, 2 and 0, 4 5s are 20. So final answer is 2382175. Hope this concept is clear with you. Now let's move to the next number. If we need to multiply any number with 125, then what is the procedure? If we multiply any number with 125, that can be rewrite as 1000 divided by 8, because 1000 divided by 8 is 125 only, so this is nothing but 1000 into x divided by 8. Whenever we multiply with 10, 100, 1000, that is quite easier. Why? Because just we need to keep 0 after the number. Let's solve these two examples. 328 into 125, it means 328 0 0 0, because 124 and 5 into 4, that is 1000, so keep 3 zeros and divide by 8. 8 4s are, right, 32, 8 1s are 8, there's 3 zeros as it is. Now let's come to the next example, that is 4626 into 125, it means keep 3 zeros, divide by 8. 8 5s are 40, so remainder is 6. Now this number is 62. 8 7s are 56, 62 minus 56, that is 6. 8 8s are 64, so remainder is 2, this is 20. 8 2s are 16, 20 minus 16, that is 4. 8 5s are 40, and this 0, last one is left, so keep this 0 as it is. So this is your final answer. Hope you have get this concept. Now you can see that it is 3-digit number and we have solved it quite faster. Now keep two things in mind. You should be very clear with the tables from 1 to 9, and addition and subtraction should be in practice. So if you want to learn addition and subtraction in Vedic mathematics, please go through the below links which are given in the description box. And if you want to learn about how to do multiplication with single digit, then also it is given in the below description link. You can go through it, you can learn it. Hope you have enjoyed this session. Please like this video, share it with your friends, and if you have not subscribed my channel yet, subscribe it right now. Thank you.